These are the people who are behind CAB3 and who are sponsoring it in various ways. Sanabena mashoko chaita kopanapa na lawyer Tavani Mpofu achiti these are the individuals vari behind the CAB3. Anoyachivataura people who are financing, who are pushing, who are supporting, and vari kuita kuti CAB3 ive vibrant. Remember, subscribe, like, on the bell icon. Tavani Mpofu mzoro ansamudanyira chiti ziyambi Virginia Mabiza kuda kuchita kure potungwarara wigi nochivayo. A common feature among them is that they have either never won an election or participated in one. Apart from Zambia, they also do not belong to the organic structures of any political party. Whose will therefore are they campaigning? We know, for instance, that they are not acting on any party resolution, not even that of the party that rigged Zimbabwe in 2023. For long, we have framed this as a legal issue, and it is one, but we must also focus on their lack of political mandate. Our question after church today is, who are these people? Joma developments anoyachiswa panguva ino na Tavani Mpofu achiexposa the people who are behind CAB3. Mbudza mafunguro enyu muri kudipa pamusoro pema developments awa nenhau iri yachitauka naMpofu. Pena comment section yedu, subscribe or like, watch it on the bell icon.